Welcome back again. Now we are going to discuss intensive substance of farming. What is the intensive substance of farming? Here, this type of farming is practiced in highly populated area. You know, in a highly populated area, the land holding size has been decreased through the right of inheritance. Let me tell you an example. If a farmer got 4 acre of land and he got 4 child, after his death, these 4 acre of land will be divided among these 4 children, and each of them will have only 1 acre of land. Here the land holding has been decreased, but with this small area they need more outputs. For that, or to get maximum output, they use high dose of fertilizer and more irrigation facilities, and they impose the modern tools. They use pesticides and etc. Okay. Okay. Now we will discuss commercial farming. As the name suggests, this is a commercial farming, mainly aiming the product from this farming, aiming the market. Here farming is completely aiming the market for the commerce or trade. Here, to get maximum output is very important, and they use highly yielding variety seeds, as you know, HYV seeds, and the farmers here use chemical fertilizers, high dose of chemical fertilizers and insecticides, pesticides to get more output. Anyway, all commercial uh, products or the commercial agriculture will not be commercial for other areas. For example, I will tell you the rice is a commercial crop in Haryana. Rice is a commercial crop in Haryana, but it is not a commercial crop in Odisha. Rice is a commercial crop in Haryana and Punjab also. When we come to Kerala, rice is not a commercial; it is a substance of farming in Kerala. So a commercial crop will not be commercial in all places. It will be according to their needs. Okay. When we are discussing commercial farming, we have discussed the plantation cropping. What is the plantation? Plantation is also a type of commercial farming. Here, the production is mainly aiming the market, but the difference is here a single crop is grown on a large area. A single crop is grown on a very large area, and also for this crop there is a connection with the industry. Most of the time, such type of farming, the product will be the uh, raw materials to the industry. Here are the example: tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane. These are mainly directly linked with the industry. Without the industry, the procedures of the plantation crop will not be possible. Okay, so plantation is a type of commercial farming, but here it is grown in a single crop is growing in a very large area. There is a close connection for this crop with the industry. Here I told you this industry is mainly 100% depending the market, and hence there will be a good network of roads and communication facilities will be there with these plantation areas, because this plantation area, plantation crops are 100% purely connected with the industry or purely aiming the market, and hence what happens, these plantation areas have a good network of roads and communication facilities.